Windows 8.1 gives me everything I need with my familiar desktop and so much more to help me work the way I want to. Let me show you what I mean. To open my desktop, I simply tap or click the desktop tile. Because I frequently work on the desktop, I have the option to boot directly to the desktop rather than first going through the start screen when I sign in. To change this setting, I tap and hold or right-click the taskbar, choose Properties, and then I click the Navigation tab. Under the Start Screen section, I select the option When I sign in or close all apps on a screen, go to the desktop instead of Start. Then I click Apply. Now, when I sign into my device, Windows will go directly to my desktop. Next, if I want to create a more seamless experience between my desktop and my start screen, I can apply my same desktop background to my start screen. I click Apply, and now you'll notice when I click the Start button, my start screen feels like an extension of my desktop. If I want to see the Apps view when I navigate to Start, I select Show the Apps view automatically when I go to Start. I click Apply again, and when I click the Start button, all of the apps on my device appear. To return to my desktop, I click the upper left corner of the screen. I'll update my options to show the Start screen when I go to Start, and then I'll click OK. Windows 8.1 makes it easy to customize my experience so I can work the way I want to on my device. The desktop has all of the great familiar features I know and love from Windows. For example, I can pin my favorite apps to the taskbar from anywhere on my device. If my app is open on the desktop already, I just right-click the app icon and select Pin this program to taskbar. From my start screen, I can find a desktop app that I'd like to pin, and I just right-click it and select Pin to taskbar. Now, back on the desktop, I can open any of these pinned apps right from the taskbar. I can unpin programs in the same way by right-clicking the app icon and selecting Unpin this program from taskbar. One of the features I've always been used to is the ability to sign out of my device from the desktop. I simply press and hold or right-click the Start button and the option's right here, as well as several other options, such as the Control Panel and the newly designed Task Manager. With Windows, I also have the ability to pin my frequently used folders to the Start screen for easy one-click access. From File Explorer, I just press and hold or right-click the folder I want to pin. Then I choose Pin to Start. Now I click the Start button, and my newly pinned folder's right here on the Start screen. With these options, I combine my love for the familiar desktop with the new features of the Start screen in one seamless experience, all depending on my preferences.